Welcome to our comprehensive review of the 2025 Chevrolet Corvette Stingray, a masterpiece that seamlessly blends performance, innovation, and iconic design. Let's delve into the features that make this sports car a true standout. Exterior features. Body panels. The 2025 Corvette Stingray exhibits a striking design characterized by sharp lines and aerodynamic contours. The body panels are crafted from lightweight materials, enhancing both performance and fuel efficiency. The mid-engine layout not only optimizes weight distribution but also contributes to the car's aggressive stance and improved handling dynamics. Headlights. Equipped with advanced LED headlights, the Stingray ensures excellent visibility in various driving conditions. The sleek design of the headlights complements the car's modern aesthetic, while their functionality provides enhanced illumination for safer nighttime driving. Taillights. The rear of the Stingray features distinctive LED taillights that maintain the Corvette's signature look. These taillights are designed to be both stylish and functional, offering clear visibility to following vehicles and adding to the car's overall appeal. Grille. The front grille of the Stingray is both a design statement and a functional component. It allows for optimal airflow to the engine bay, aiding in cooling and performance, while its bold design reinforces the Corvette's aggressive and sporty character. Interior comfort and convenience. Seats. Inside, the Stingray offers seats that are designed for both comfort and support. Upholstered in premium materials, they provide excellent bolstering to keep occupants secure during spirited driving, while also ensuring comfort during longer journeys. Dashboard. The driver-centric dashboard features a blend of high-quality materials and cutting-edge technology. The layout is intuitive, with controls easily accessible, allowing drivers to focus on the road ahead. Infotainment system. The Stingray is equipped with a state-of-the-art infotainment system that includes a touchscreen display, smartphone integration, and voice recognition. This system ensures that drivers and passengers stay connected and entertained, with features like navigation, media playback, and hands-free calling. Steering wheel. The leather-wrapped steering wheel is ergonomically designed, featuring integrated controls for audio, cruise control, and the customizable performance settings accessible via the Z button. This design allows drivers to make adjustments without taking their hands off the wheel, enhancing both convenience and safety. Powertrain components. Engine. At the heart of the 2025 Corvette Stingray lies a 6.2-liter LT2 V8 engine, producing 502 horsepower and 637 Nm of torque. This powerhouse enables the Stingray to accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 2.9 seconds, delivering exhilarating performance that enthusiasts crave. Hybrid option. For those seeking an eco-friendly alternative, Chevrolet offers the Corvette E-Ray, a hybrid variant that combines the LT2 V8 engine with an electric motor. This setup provides a combined output of 655 horsepower, offering enhanced performance while improving fuel efficiency and reducing emissions. Safety and driver assistance. Airbags. The Stingray is equipped with a comprehensive airbag system, including front, side, and curtain airbags, designed to protect occupants in the event of a collision. This commitment to safety ensures peace of mind for both drivers and passengers. Parking assist. To aid in maneuvering, the Stingray features advanced parking assist systems, including sensors and cameras that provide real-time feedback. These systems help drivers navigate tight spaces and avoid obstacles, enhancing overall safety and convenience. Pricing. The 2025 Chevrolet Corvette Stingray offers exceptional value in the sports car segment. The base model starts at $68,300, providing a range of standard features that cater to both performance enthusiasts and those seeking luxury. Additionally, Costco members can take advantage of a special incentive program available until April 30th, offering discounts of up to $3,000 on the 2025 Corvette Stingray and E-Ray models. In conclusion, the 2025 Chevrolet Corvette Stingray embodies the evolution of an icon, delivering a harmonious blend of performance, technology, and design. Whether you're drawn to its exhilarating powertrain, cutting-edge features, or unmistakable style, the Stingray offers an unparalleled driving experience that continues to uphold the Corvette legacy.